Right, welcome to this very cold morning. It is very cold, couple of degrees, nice and frosty. Today we'll be changing our pads because you can see, the compound is soft and hard. It's not being mixed properly. And I've taken the pads off last week to have a look at them, see if they're misaligned or anything like that. They're perfectly good. I know the calipers are brand new, pins are brand new, sliders, carriers are new. The new discs and pads, and that's the only side that's having an issue. Now I've taken the pads off and they're a bit degraded, so I've got some new pads, and for this you will need a 19mm socket to get the nuts off, a breaker bar, new pads, and some copper grease just to put on the tips. So we'll start by removing the wheel. Right, wheel's off, handbrake is off. Right, we'll need a 12mm spanner, socket, whatever you want to do, but also the pin needs a 17mm open end spanner just to keep it in place. For some reason this one spins in its housing. Now as you can see, the pads are off. This is the inside, perfectly uniform as you can see there. It's pitted, and here's the hard area where it can't grip, or it's struggling to grip, or whatever you like to call it, which is causing the rust to one side. Not sure if you can see the other side. Well, it's no rust where it's not gripping. Bit of a mystery on this one. Pins, freely movable. So that's not the pins. Calipers are brand new. So put the new pads on. Hopefully it's just a defective compound. Right, new pads are on. Tightened up. Shim is all in place as well. Anyway, to know if it works, let's take it for a test drive. Obviously got to do the other side, so I'll do the other side and we should have some results in. So I'll do with the results in a bit later. Thank you for watching. I'm not quite sure if you can see that, but chain the lift is going for a test drive. This means it's braking, it's getting rid of the surface rust, therefore it was the pads at fault, which is a good thing. So a few times through driving bits maybe have to come off. Thank you for watching the results.